What's that?
Okay.
Well, are you a doctor or something?
My what?
Are you a doctor?
No, but you just pulled in and you're pulling out.
Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not a doctor.
All right, then thank you. What can you help me with?
Keep going.
What can you help me with? What can you help me with?
I'm not gonna help you with anything.
Keep going where? Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go?
Keep driving.
Where do you want me to go? Give me a direction to go somewhere. Hey, I'm just answering your questions. You're telling me to leave,
Exactly, you're okay.
and I'm asking if you're a doctor. No, this is a public road. You could get that cop over here to come and
Don't worry.
go in the house.
You're in front of my house. Get the fuck out of here.
Just for that, you know what? Oh, does he want to talk to me? He knows where to find me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna park right here.
Better not get out of that car. She said, better not get out of that fucking car.
Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
Fuck you up.
This is entrapment. You know this
Fuck
is.
you up. I told you to
Get away
out
from
of
my
here.
car. Get away from my car. Get away from my car.
Get over.
Don't touch my car. This is
Stay in
private
the
property
car.
you're touching.
Stay in the car. I don't like you. Stay
Get
in the
out.
car. If you touch me, I'm gonna
Stay,
fucking knock you
stay
out.
away from my car. You're
out of
touching
here.
private property. This is private property.
This is a public
This
road.
is private property though.
Public road.
This is private property. Get away from my car. Get away from my car. This is kidnapping. He's
asked
not
him to
letting
move-
me.
I asked him to move on. He's flipping me off.
No.
Asking me if I'm
He
a
asked me
doctor.
he asked me if he could help me. Don't touch my car either. Don't touch my car. This car right here. This guy right here threatened to hit me. Look at. You're stupid as fuck, bro. Don't touch my car.
Jose,
Don't touch my car.
What's going
Get
on?
off my car.
What's going on,
Get off
Jose?
my car. That guy right there threatened to kick my ass and punch me. Reached into my car, doing the same thing you're doing.
To him?
What did I do to him? I was getting ready to drive off. You know that I was going to go and check and see what you were doing. You already know that.
already knew who
You already
you were.
know
I
that.
know
You already
who you
know
were.
that. You already know that.
You
So
can
why
tell
is he
me-
getting fucking mouthy with me? Why is he getting mouthy with me?
I have to go
Get
talk
away
to
from my
him.
car.
I can stand right here.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. This is a public road. Don't hit my car.
It's a public car. Get away from my car. He threatened me if I got out of my car that he was going to kick my ass.
Okay, what were you doing to him?
Ask him what I was doing to him. Ask him what I was doing to him. Ask him what I was doing to him. I didn't do shit to him.
Okay, I'm going to talk to him, but I want to talk to you first.
He called me over. He called me over here. Go and deal with the complaints first. You
I
know
want
how
to
to
talk
do
to
it.
her. I want to talk to you
I'm going to
first.
educate you. I'm going to educate
know, Jose.
you. Go and talk to her. He threatened to come into my car and punch me. He reached into my car. So go
What
over
did
there.
you tell him?
What did I tell him?
I just want to get your side of the story.
Go and ask him. Go and ask him. You know I got everything recorded. Go
Okay.
and see what
Can
he
I
said
see the
first.
video?
No, I'm not gonna stop my recording. You know that already.
Okay, can you start another recording
No,
so I can
no,
see
no,
the
no.
original recording?
No, that guy right there.
Jose, we're not going over there.
Don't
Come
touch
over
me.
here.
You know
We're
you're
not
supposed to.
walking
No,
over
you
there.
can't touch me.
We're not
You
walking
cannot
over
touch
there,
me.
Jose.
Don't place
You're
your hands
getting
on
in
me.
a verbal argument with him over
I
there.
don't
Don't want
care.
you to go over
I
there.
don't care. He can't tell me to go down the street. He has no fucking right to tell me where to go.
Jose,
What?
I just want to know what he told you. Can you tell me yourself?
Right there. It's right there.
Can you tell me yourself?
So I'm out of the car
Jose.
now. What? I'm out of the car now.
Jose,
Are you that tough?
Jose, we're not going to do this. Right now, can I have
I gotta get my son.
He needs to be arrested for threatening me.
Okay. Jose,
I did what? Don't
Jose.
touch. You're not supposed to fucking touch me.
Jose,
Don't you know
I'm
you can't
trying
place
to
your
talk to
hands
you.
on me?
I'm trying to have
You
a
can't place
conversation
your
with you.
hands on public people.
If you want him arrested, I need to know what's going on, right? So then can I have your information? Can I talk to you? What happened? What did he tell you?
Okay, here's the story.
Nice, I'm
I
not
saw
talking
you
with
standing
Jose.
right there talking to him, right?
Yeah.
I was driving by, just like I can. I happened to see either. I turn around to see what's going on.
That's fine.
This guy right here tells me if he could help me. I said, what, are you a doctor that I need some help or something? Are you a doctor? Are you a
No,
doctor?
Jose, you're talking to me, not him. Please talk to me. Jose.
He came into my car. He reached into my
Jose.
hand and he reached into my car and
Jose,
swung.
please talk
Stop
to
touching
me.
me.
Then
He
stop
swung-
trying to walk away.
He swung at me
Because you're
inside of my
detained and
car.
everyone's detained.
He swung in my car.
Okay, Can you have a seat on your hood, please?
No, no. Am I detained?
You are detained.
For what?
For an investigation.
For what?
For you
For
and
what?
him for getting
For
in
what?
at 415.
For what?
Penal code 415, causing a disturbance. Both of you are detained. None of you guys can go anywhere. I want you to have a seat right there.
Call him back out here. Then call him right back out here.
I will talk to him. Right now, I want him away from you because you are obviously emotionally distressed talking to him.
He reached into my car and threatened to fucking punch me.
Okay.
All right?
Did he say anything else?
And then he kept me from coming out of my car. That's entrapment.
Okay.
You know that already. That's kidnapping.
Let me talk to
Kidnapping's
him.
actually moving somebody from one location to another. And then she calls you over. She's like, get away from me. This is our street. She don't know no fucking street. This isn't her street.
Okay. Is there anything else I would say?
Ask your homeboy. You obviously know who he is. You're over here fucking talking to him.
I've never met him till today.
Well, then I just stopped to record you. You know that. You know
That's fine. You're legally allowed to film.
I know that.
Yes,
I know that. And we're gonna see each other in court. I know that already.
I know.
I know that already. Okay. I can fucking pull over and record you whenever I want.
Absolutely,
and that's exactly what I did.
You are allowed
when
to.
He
yes.
comes out and tells me he's gonna beat my ass, reaches into my car, swings at me, and then keeps me from coming out of my car. Go and talk to him now. That's the whole story.
Okay.
I ain't gonna listen to her. I ain't gonna listen to him.
Okay.
They don't pay my fucking rent. They don't pay my bills. They don't fucking suck my dick or do anything, okay?
Okay.
So I can do whatever the hell I want up and down the street as long as I'm not breaking the law.
Can we just try watching our language? Our kids around.
Freedom of speech, bro. Freedom of speech.
You're allowed to say it, but I'm just saying courtesy.
Freedom of speech.
That's all I'm asking.
Go and talk to her now and go and fucking arrest that guy for fucking swinging at me. He swung at me in my fucking car.
Okay. Well, we get another officer here to hang out with you. I'm gonna go talk to him. Okay.
Fucking ignorant white people think they're fucking privileged.
Go talk to him. Make sure everything's gonna go. Okay. So how was he reaching into your car? Was he holding onto the car like I was? At the
Did
door?
you just see him? You saw him. He had his fucking knee up against my car and wouldn't let me out. He reached in and went like this. And I reached and I leaned back so he wouldn't fucking touch me. Okay? You know the Fourth Amendment. I already explained to you the Fourth Amendment, right? Although he is not law, he cannot fucking go inside my car and reach in my car and try to fucking hit me. Okay?
Okay.
That's a threat of violence.
This actually would be an assault.
Okay, whatever you want to fucking write it down. I want him to get a citation.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna talk to him, and we'll gather video evidence if we have it, and witnesses, and we'll go that route. But right now, because you are excited, right now I'm gonna wait for another officer to come hang out with you.
I'm excited because that piece of shit fucking tried to sock me.
I know. And that's why I'm
He
gonna
doesn't own this fucking road.
I know.
Yeah, you can flip me off. Why are you calling me over there for it?
Jose.
What?
Jose.
What?
Jose. You're not talking to them. You're gonna talk to me.
He's standing
Jose.
over flipping. Don't touch me. Stop touching me.
You're not gonna talk to him. You're gonna talk to him.
Stop touching me.
I'm not touching you.
You just did again.
Okay.
You need to know that you cannot fucking touch me unless I'm
Jose.
fucking being detained or under arrest.
You are detained. You are not allowed to leave.
But I am not under arrest.
You said detained or under arrest, and I just told you you are detained. So you can film me. Go and pull your phone out and film me. Okay? You're allowed to film.
I know I am.
But you are detained.
I know I am.
Okay. So once this other officer gets here, I'm gonna go talk to them. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. And make sure you cite him.
I will talk to him.
For
I will talk
violence
to
on
him.
me and reaching into my car.
I will
Not
talk to
allowing
him.
me to get out of my car.
I will talk to him.
No, don't talk to him. Give him a fucking ticket. Teach that fucking son of a bitch a lesson.
Well, I'm gonna do my job, Jose. Don't you worry.
You might hang out with him over there. Valdez, how you doing? Are you new? How long you been here?
3 years now.
Really? I haven't seen you. Have I seen you before? Man, you got lucky. Well, these guys don't like it because I got a mouth on me and I'm practicing on my fucking constitutional rights and all my rights. That guy right there reached into my car, threatened to sock me, swung at me twice, and then he put his foot on my door, his knee against my door like this, and wouldn't let me out. He's all, get out. He's like, basically calling me out. That's not freedom of speech, bro. He needs to be cited and do whatever you need to do, and we'll see if it works. Yeah. He reached into my fucking car and swung at me. And you see that right there? There's a GoPro right there. And what I do is when I see you guys pulled over, I pull over and see what's going on. That's my First Amendment right. So, hold on. So the sense.
That's why I'm asking back now.
Tell him the truth. Tell him the truth. Stop lying. Tough guy. If I reached into your car and swung at you twice, how would you feel? How would you feel? He needs to get a ticket and get locked up for a day, or go take him downtown and fucking run him through the system. Freedom of speech, bro. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. I don't care what the difference is, bro. I don't care what the difference is. You need to give him a ticket, cite him, or arrest him.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I want to see you guys give him a ticket first. If not, I will be down there Monday and running through your guys' sheep, which is fucking Nord or whatever his name is. He needs to get a citation right now. I know that he's probably buddies with him or whatever the reason. So we're just talking over there.
So it looks like you're pretty familiar with him. So we always continue every once in a while trying to tell me on that video. That's not bad.
The officer was just right down the street over there. I'm sure he could look at his rearview mirror and see everything that was going on. He saw him. He saw him. Okay?
So if he doesn't say,
Well, I'll take the video report and there I'll present my case and see what happens.
we don't need that in evidence to submit it to the beginning. You have to take it and you have to
Get to take one.
video that you're trying to present to them.
Take, what do you mean take it?
Yeah,
Take it to you guys?
No, you said
You can give him a ticket right now. I'll go down there Monday and talk to your chief of police or your commander, whoever the hell he was. You need to give him a ticket. He threatened and he swung at me. He reached into my car, swung at me twice. Do you hear me talking to you right now? Do you hear me talking to you right now? Why do you feel the need to think that I need to lie to you? Just because you and I don't get along, I don't care for you, doesn't mean shit. You didn't do your job. He reached into my car. He reached into my car and swung at me twice. He wouldn't like if I did that to him. How stupid can you fucking be? You know I got a video camera. I turned it right when you fucking reached in, you idiot. You're a fucking idiot. Give him a ticket. Yeah, it's still recording. Are you gonna arrest him?
Well, that's an evidence of a crime.
You're saying you have
That's why I'm asking you if you're able to do it.
You're gonna arrest him right now. You're gonna listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. You're gonna arrest him when I show you proof. Are you gonna do your job and arrest him? If I was to threaten somebody the same way he fucking reached into my car, you would arrest me because you would love to arrest me. Then why am I gonna show you something you're not gonna do anything about? Ask him if he's an honest person, and if he fucking said that he reached into my car, then I would show you the video. Ask him if he reached into my car. Did you reach into my car? Ask him if he reached
He's
into my
trying to
car.
conduct an investigation.
Ask him if he reached into my car.
Oh my God. You came over here and got your said, right? It's only fair that he gives you this side.
He should have gone over there and asked them because that chick right there, that lady called first. Oh, move on. This is public road, bro. This is public. Public. I don't know where these fucking white people think they fucking own shit when they don't. How fucking stupid can one be? fucking kids really well how to be fucking racist. Cannot restrict the movement of a person. You know that, right? That's against the law too, right? He needs to get arrested. He needs to get arrested, dude. He fucking put his knee up against my fucking car door. First he says to fucking come out. Then when I go to open up the door, he stops me. He tries to fucking reach in, swung at me twice, dude. Does it matter if he hit me? Does it matter if he hit me? Does it matter if he hit me? No, he didn't. Did I ever say he fucking hit me? I said he swung twice and I leaned back.
I'm just trying to make investigative questions.
Oh, you guys are fucking stupid, man.
Yeah, well, it's nice if we could just see the video to clear everything up.
So you letting that criminal get away?
Well, I'm gonna write her a police report.
All right.
It's gonna be documented and everything, okay?
All right. So,
I just-
what is gonna happen to him for fucking trying to hit me? And you know, freedom of speech does not cover threaten somebody. You know
I
that, right?
understand that, Yep.
Him putting his fucking his knees against my door and not letting me fucking get out of my vehicle. What does that consist of?
Well, that's why I'm gonna document it all in the report. Yeah, I'm gonna document
You
it all.
know these motherfuckers. You were just talking to them.
I'm
Are they
gonna
your
document
friends?
your side. They're not, like I said, I just met them today. I'll go on a polygraph and testify. I haven't met them today. So what I'm saying is I would document your side and what you said, and I will document what they said.
I will show you a video of you arrest him right now.
Okay, can you
He
show
needs
me a
to be
video
fucking-
now?
Oh,
If you
yeah.
have
Are you
evidence,
gonna arrest him? Are you
Well-
gonna arrest him?
Right now, I don't have anything to arrest him on.
He threatened violence on me.
Do you have
he
a-
took two swings, reaching into my
Jose?
car,
Jose,
put his knee on my door,
Jose,
didn't allow me to fucking move freely, which is my right to move freely. You wouldn't like that if somebody stood up against your car and threatened you and fucking reached in and tried to sock you
Jose.
and then didn't let you get out of your car?
Jose, can I talk real quick?
Talk.
Okay. Right now, I have reasonable suspicion to detain you, but if you
For
have
what?
if you
For
have
what?
evidence
You
of a
have-
crime, then that's different, right?
You have reasonable
Suspicion.
to detain me?
Yes.
For what?
Penal Code 415, causing a
For what?
disturbance. Causing a disturbance.
He's the one.
Jose.
He's the one that told me to fucking move on down the road. I didn't cause no disturbance.